something like this can be considered by the board of OWWA?
Yes, Your Honor, thank you so much. We will have to look at the mandate or the charter of OWWA, and if that would be allowed, we'll be very happy to consider.
No. Well, 2 billion, you know, you spent 2 billion pesos last year. I would not want to ask right now where the 2 billion went. Ano yan, para sa housing ba yan? Para sa repatriation?
Those repatriation, Your Honor, plus our overseas operations, because we are paying 37 posts.
Housing, no? And for a distressed worker, Filipino worker. And one cause of distress for a Filipino worker would be a legal case, whether he is the complainant or he's he is the object of the complaint. But nonetheless, it's still a reason for distress, and that should be a reason for you to assist that Filipino worker.
Yes, Your Honor. Actually, we have a Board of Trustees meeting at 3 o'clock today, so I will bring this up.
Mr. Chairman, if that is the case, may I, Mr. Chairman, they're going to have a Board of Trustees meeting today. I think it's very timely that this committee I would officially convey the sense of the committee. And I so move, Mr. Chairman, that the Board of Trustees of OWWA consider constituting a legal fund, not just to supplement, but to complement the 100 million pesos already under the GAA in the budget of the Department of Foreign Affairs. In other words, what I have in mind, and I hope that the committee will share the suggestion, will support the suggestion, that the counterpart fund of the OWWA be at least 100 million, plus with the advice that they should commission the legal services of the best possible law officers in the host countries.
Second motion.
I so move, Mr. Chairman.
I second, Mr. Chairman.
There being none, the motion of
And I also move that this sense of the committee be immediately conveyed to the Board of Trustees of the OWWA, which will be conducting a meeting at 3 p.m. today.
So we can now allow the administrator to read.
Yes. With that still hot from the press resolution from the Committee on Oversight, headed by, co-headed by the stalwarts from the great province of Quezon. Now, my final question is this. Do you cover also those in the entertainment industry who are working abroad?
Yes, Your Honor, as long as they are in possession of a work permit or employment visa and they go through POEA for the contracts processing.
Mga bands, for example. Would this include personalities, celebrities like Arnel Pineda and Charis?
No, Your Honor, if they go out to the country to perform only for, let's say, 2-3 days.
I don't know, these are not these personalities that go there. Like Arnel Pineda, for example, goes on a regular world tour because he's the lead singer of The Journey. Very popular personality. Charis constantly is on the world tour also, Las Vegas, Italy, etc., etc.
I think
So are these persons covered by OWWA? How about Manny Pacquiao?
Your Honor, if I may.
The highest paid OFW of the Philippines.
Yeah, because she works overseas, enters into a contract in bucks. So, overseas contract.
And Filipino. So overseas, Filipino, and works in the ring.
If I may respond to your question, Your Honor, as regards the entertainers, especially the ones you mentioned, If these are already residents, and most of them are already residents of foreign countries, then they do not fall under our classification or definition of an overseas Filipino worker. In the case of...
Sometimes they could get into problems with respect to contracts. They might get at the short end of the contract. So are they entitled to protection, or that's their own?
Well, they have
personal
managers who manage their affairs, Your Honor, and these would be cases that would
Tulad ng
have to be...
Pacquiao, pinagawa yung 60-40 o 55-45.
Yes.
Hindi na kayo tutulong doon.
Meron akong maraming
Kami,
tutulong sa...
makakuha ng share of OWWA doon sa purse ni Manny Pacquiao. Instead of $25, maybe $2,500 from you. So that's all, Mr. Chairman, and thank you so much for supporting the motion of this.
Chairman,